Oh my god. Here it is. You know, but and I did not put it down, guys. That's why we just saw that. But guys, it's safe to say that I think I'm gonna put it in the fridge, but also not so at the same time. Like I love how the picture and everything is, but like you know, if you know, you know. Well, I know. Like look at this, guys. I think you all can see better with the ring light on. Okay, now the moment of truth, guys. We're taking the spoon out. My gosh, 50 seconds left. Oh, sorry for this long video. This has probably been going on for like 10 minutes now. Oh no. Or not this, the lower line. Or the line. No? Okay, let's just do this. We are really gonna get our hands sticky. Come, let's take it to the fridge. So, yeah. This is how it looks, guys. Trust, I hope it's gonna be better in the fridge. We should put it in the fridge. And guys, we're gonna set it